Adding music to an image or video in Canva is a rather simple affair. The first thing you need is obviously the image that you're working on and the music track that you want to add. Now, there are two options for this. Number one is that you can simply head over to Elements, scroll down to Audio, and then click on See All. And then you can either add an AI voice or scroll down and pick a song that you want to use. For example, I want to use Push the Pedal. All I have to do is click on this, and as you can notice, the track has been added and this has been converted to a video page. Now, video pages and videos work the same way in Canva. So I can select this page, click on this button at the top and select my timing. So however long I want this to be, let's say 5 seconds should suffice. And then I can come all the way to the bottom, click on my music track, and I can go ahead and drag it to where I want whatever part I want in my 5-second window. So for example, I can see the waveform and this looks more interesting. So I'm just going to drag it until that waveform comes into play. And that's that. Now you've added music to your image in Canva. So if you go ahead and click on this play button at the top, you can hear the video and it plays essentially like a video at this point. Downloading it is also easy. All you have to do is click on the share option, go ahead and click on download. Now, since you're downloading something with audio, I recommend using MP4 because none of these other formats will preserve audio. So you're going to have to download it, your image or whatever video you're working on as a video. Select your quality, go ahead and click download. Now, if you want to do this in a video, so let's head back to Canva home and create a new landscape video. Adding audio here works the same manner. So you head over to Elements, scroll down to find audio in here. So it's right here. Click on See All, and then you can just select whatever audio track you want and drag and drop. So Midnight Lo-Fi, I can just put it here. And now as you can see, this whole video track is laid out, and I can extend this and it will automatically match my length. So if I go ahead and play it, it's going to play with this audio file in the background. Now, if you want to add your own custom music, that also works the same way. So simply head over to Uploads, head over to Audio, and all of your uploaded audios will show up here. Click on Upload Files and find your file that you want to upload. I already have this, so I can just click it. And as you can see, this now appears as a second layer of audio working right here. I can go ahead and delete the first one. And now the audio that I uploaded is what it's going to be using. Downloading it works the same way. So you head over to Share, click on Download, and then select MP4 video and your quality, and then click the download button. And that's it. That's how you add music to images or videos in Canva. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and if these videos don't help you out as much, do consider getting a membership. That's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video.